it's Charlotte from Thompson Leisure, and today I'm going to be showing you around our brand new Kon-Tiki 774. Now this has been reduced in our autumn sale from 106,000 to 92,995, so you're getting absolute value for money with this vehicle, top of the range Swift. Kon-Tiki 774 is a 6 berth 5 belt. We'll start off with the front of the vehicle. You have your nice black cab, you have your LED daytime running headlights. So we'll have a really good spec on this van. We have the two-tone 16-inch Fiat alloys. If you follow me on round to the side here, you have your 3-pin plug for the outside, full length awning, your awning light. On down this way then, you have your exterior barbecue point. Then your garage is at the back here. Really decent sized garage there, as you can see. Above us here is your twin reversing camera. If you follow around this way, you'll see we'll have our premium Aldi heating system and your outdoor shower point. So into the cab area of the motorhome, you have your leather multifunctional steering wheel, your Bluetooth functions, cruise control with your speed limiter. You have your fully digital cockpit here, 6-speed manual gearbox. Under your infotainment system, you have a 10-inch infotainment system, fully touchscreen. You can access your DAB radio. You have your built-in sat-nav. You can access everything you need about your vehicle there, your apps, and Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Into the living area of the motorhome, you'll see we'll have a very nice open plan lounge. You'll have 2 berths here in front of me. This table will drop down. You have your electric table control here. This will make into a nice double bed, and above me you have the electric drop down bed, which I will show you how that works in a wee minute. To toggle the bed, you'll find that beside your control panels just above the habitation door. You simply just... So you can adjust the bed to whatever height you want. If you have a full house, you can stop it there, use your ladder, so you can still access your first and second berth, or else you can drop it the whole way down, move the table, and you don't have to climb into it at all. So you have your Aldi heating control panel, and beside this you have your fully touchscreen control panel where you can toggle your fridge, your heating, your power, monitor your water levels, adjust your lighting, all through this control panel. Beside that then you have additional USB points and a 3-pin plug. We're into the kitchen area. As you can see, you have your nice ambient lighting, plenty of storage there. You have your Thetford full oven and grill, 3-ring gas hob, electric hot plate, and your Dometic microwave. Beside that then you have your Dometic 3-way fridge. So really decent size fridge freezer. You can access it from both sides. This is pretty cool. And you have your freezer box in there, of course. So a really nice feature of this motorhome is the fact that you have 2 lounges. You have your USB points there as well. And another nice wee feature is the ability to close this off. So while we're in the back lounge, I just thought I would show you some of the nice features. So you have a pull-out table. Set your wine glasses on, play your board games, whatever you intend to do with that. And just below you have access to your rear garage. Come come on ahead guys and we'll take a look at the washroom. So as you can see, really nice spacious washroom there with your separate shower. Guys, thanks so much for watching. As you can see there, you're getting amazing value for money with this motorhome. Full details can be seen on our website, thompsonleisure.com, or else you can get in touch with us at 028 9269 3999. Thank you.